8 spaces you should declutter every week. There are steps you can take to cut bathroom clutter long-term, such as making sure you have adequate storage. However, even when you've taken care of that, minor clutter can still accumulate on counters and in cabinets. Once a week, take a minute to straighten out the makeup you didn't have time to put away, the bottles that may have tipped over, and any other little bits of bathroom clutter that can make a small room look messy. Double-check the medications in the cabinet and toss anything that has expired, then take a look at products, such as perfumes, makeup, or haircare items, that you haven't used in a while. If you don't like the scent, color, or result that the product gives, throw it away or give it to a friend. When you let your fridge linger without decluttering, food is bound to rot and smells will start permeating. Every week, pull out the foods that have reached their expiration date, don't forget to examine the condiments on the shelves, and throw them straight in the trash. If you have any half-empty cans, like that half can of coconut milk that you used for dinner earlier this week, get rid of those, too. Get rid of leftovers more than a day or two old, and then wipe down the crumbs and spills on the shelves. Don't worry, you do not have to fully declutter your closet every week. However, you should fold, put away, or hang up any clothes that are lying around or lingering in a basket. Set aside any items that you've noticed you no longer want or need, these can be donated once you accumulate a bagful. For most people, a quick bedroom declutter will go hand in hand with tidying up the closet. After you put your clothes away, walk around the room and check for things like books or drinking glasses that you may have brought into your bedroom and forgotten to put back where they belong. Clear off surfaces, such as dressers, vanities, or desks, and then make your bed. If you want to really cut the clutter in your bedroom, get rid of those decorative pillows now. This one is simple, don't let your trash or recycling pile up in your house for more than a week. In addition to your kitchen trash bins, do a sweep of waste paper baskets in each room as well. If you tend to forget to take the garbage out, leave it in front of the door so you can't miss it next time you head outside. The entryway to your home is one common area where stuff is often allowed to pile up. Prevent the pile of shoes, coats, bags, etc. from growing too large by regularly returning everything to its proper place. You only intend to put your mail on the coffee table for a minute, but you get distracted and leave it there all day, and the next day and the day after that. The same goes for your gloves, your knitting, and the list goes on. Keep the coffee table from becoming a dumping ground by giving it a weekly decluttering. Unless you use the same exact makeup and products every day, chances are your makeup bag will end up with some extra unused lipsticks or eyeshadows as the week goes on. Check to make sure you're only carrying around what you currently use daily and that you're not missing something you need. If you don't wear makeup, this also applies to any small store of supplies you keep in your bag, whether it contains hair clips, band-aids, medicines, or gum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.